I hope to get the tent out in a few days. Do some hot tenting, but I just don't know where I'm going to do it. I may just do it right here. While I'm up here, I can get some work done on this maybe. I can't do much yet. Hardly any lifting. But it sure breaks my heart to see this. Every time I come up here, my old fire ring, I have to eventually cut all that up. Yeah. I do hear something messing around over here in the woods behind me. I don't know what it is, but that's the same direction that I heard the firecrackers. So there might be some kids over there messing around. She's cooking good now. Hello, welcome back to the channel. We got this new FireHiking hot tent, and I just can't wait to try it. I'll show you a earlier clip where my campsite was pretty much destroyed and I got to clean it up before I can use it. We're on my property. I have to keep Star tied because she's only 100 yards from 2 roads. But yeah, we got this FireHiking. It's a 4-man tent, 1 to 4-man tent. I got a new stove I want to burn in. But like I say, welcome to the channel. I so appreciate you who watch, you who subscribe to our channel and give us support. We're going to set it up right here. This is about the only level spot that I could find besides what was on my campsite. So we're going to set it up right here, and we're going to take you along with us. See you in a bit. There we go, we got her going. You can see that dark smoke, that's the fat wood in there. Put 2 pieces of fat wood in it. But yeah, we got to burn that in. and get ready to camp. Picked these lanterns up off of eBay. They were a good buy. They'll come in handy. One thing I will tell you though is it's hard to find kerosene anymore unless you go to a bulk plant. Well, we're in here. There's my star. She's on, there's her bed, but for some reason she wants to be on my bed. Yeah, that's your bed down there. Got you a sleeping pad and a nice blanket. It's not going to be that cold tonight. So, if I brought her cot and got her cot in here, it would really take up all that space over there where my camera gear's at. But anyway, what I wanted to take a minute to show you was my new knife. Got this for Christmas. This is a BPS knife. These are made in Ukraine. And this came shaving the hair off my arm. So I like this knife, and the spine, it works really, really good for striking a fire. So just want to take a minute and show that to you. I like it. I like it. I'll lay it down here and show you the case. This is the case that came with it, and a fire striker. BPS knives, they're made in Ukraine. Just wanted to show you my sleep system. I've got, again, I think I told you I got the Hikinger. It is a 4-inch, and it's got a 3-inch memory foam in it, and then you add a little bit of air. It's self-inflating. I have my 0-degree Coleman sleeping bag, and I have a 30-degree extra sleeping bag. Should I get cold, I'll just throw this one over top of me. And that is my pillow. That is a what's that, Mike Lindell, a My Pillow. That is my pillow. But I'm going to get another My Pillow. I'm going to get a smaller one. I think that one's a king, but I'm going to get a queen and a stuff sack, because them things will go down to almost nothing. So anytime I can take a My Pillow camping with me, even if I'm backpacking, I can put it in a stuff sack and take it backpacking with me. So yep, there's my sleep system, and I got the cot. I'm about 6 inches off the ground, and this Hikinger is rated at 9.5 on the R value. So even on the ground, I don't think I would be too cold with that. But I'll tell you what, it is hot in here. I have both doors open. Well, I got one wide open, and I got this one laid back over the tent. I'm making me some hot chocolate. But man, it is hot. It's not that cold outside though. That's the reason. If it was like 10 degrees outside, it would probably be just enough to keep up. But yeah, making me some hot chocolate. I'm gonna splurge tonight. Party down. I just want to take a moment to wish you all a happy new year. The last 6 weeks of 2022 I spent stuck in the house after getting a hip replacement, and I'm not doing a lot today. I'm not allowed to lift a lot. I'm not allowed to carry a heavy pack for 6 months. So just out here doing what I can. I really wanted to do a video, New Year's video, and I did get the stove burned in, and we're going to sleep in the hot tent tonight. And Happy New Year, you guys. I didn't do a Christmas video. Just wasn't up to it. And I couldn't get out, camp or anything. I still can't camp like I want to. I think I cut 2 or 3 logs earlier and I was just exhausted. So Happy New Year, and we'll see you in the morning. I might see you again tonight. We'll see. I spilt my hot chocolate, so I got new water on boiling for my hot chocolate. But yeah, not a lot of room in here. Not a lot of room. It's supposed to be a 4-man tent. Well, it's so nice here tonight. I think I'm just going to set up here for a while, watch some YouTube videos. I just watched a channel called Mountain Beaches. It's a couple that's probably my age, maybe even a little older, I don't know, but they're building an off-grid property, and I've been following them for a couple years now. But you get a chance, check out Mountain Beaches. And I also discovered a channel called Old Man Joe, and he got a lot of wisdom that he shares on his channel on fire starting. I went out and got in the dry box to get me some coffee for tomorrow morning, and the oil had come open in my dry box, and all of my box of coffee was saturated in oil. The single packets are a film, so they're protected, but I'd had to clean them all off, and that was a chore, but I had to get me a couple coffees for in the morning. But sitting here with the door wide open, and it's nice in here. It's probably in the 60s here in the tent, 65 maybe, but I'm just going to sit here and watch some YouTube and enjoy myself tonight. And it did bring me a beer to enjoy, so I'm going to sit here and enjoy this tonight. I brought me a drink. Cheers, you all. I won't be cooking on this trip, like I said. I'm limited a little bit still. If I get out here in 3 or 4 weeks with the hot tent, I'm going to do some cooking, and I promise it's going to be a nice meal. I've already got it planned out, but I'm going to just get up in the morning and make me some coffee on the stove and sit here and enjoy it a little bit, and then that'll probably be the end of this video. Well, I don't know whether you can hear that, but here it comes. They said we could get 1.5 to 2 inches this weekend. The last vlog of the night. Well, good morning, everybody. It's about 6:15, and I've lit the fire to try to get the chill off, and I gotta make me some coffee water. But I slept really well last night, other than getting up several times. But I always fell right back asleep. Rain on the roof really helped me sleep. It's still raining. I don't know whether you can hear it or not. I told you guys it was wet this morning. And the inside of this zipper on the door is totally dry. So yes, I am impressed. As the tent acted as it should. You shouldn't buy a tent and have it leak. Yes, I'm happy with the tent. Well, everybody, I know the lighting's not too good in here this morning, but I want to thank you for coming along. It's been a good 2022, and hopefully a better 2023. Thank you to all the new subscribers that we have. Thank you to those that stuck with us from the beginning. It's a blessing. This has been an experience, my first ever hot tent. It's not as comfortable as Drifter would be, but who doesn't like a challenge? So thank you again. May you all have a great 2023, and from Camping with Endless Weekends. We love you. And remember, never stop dreaming. All right? Have a good day. Bye-bye.